Hi guys, I just want to do a quick video on the fact maybe that your car doesn't start. Like especially in the mornings you find that you have to throw a bit of fuel in here. Now it could be that your accelerator pump is maybe not working properly because of a faulty diaphragm. Now the way to check a faulty diaphragm is to see if you have a stream of fuel coming in when you sort of put your foot on the accelerator. Like if you're doing that, you're supposed to see a stream of fuel coming through. Now I'm going to do that and just watch. There you can see a nice squirt of fuel coming out when you put your foot on the gas. If that doesn't happen, then there's no fuel coming through. So in this video we're going to concentrate on how to solve that issue. That is your accelerator pump over here, and there's a diaphragm in there. The way it actually works is with this lever here. It's normally on top of this here, and as you accelerate, when you start up the car in the morning, you squirt some fuel into the throat of the car. You'll see now that it's going to shoot right up. You'll see it go up. Now normally, if that is sealed, then that squirt will go directly into there. It's difficult to show you with the camera and with the one hand that I'm using. So basically, if you put your finger on there and squirt, you'll see it going there. You see? But difficult? Yeah. So now to take out the accelerator pump's diaphragm, you're going to have to get to the bottom of the car. So you're going to have to turn it upside down, something like that. And that's where it is. The diaphragm is inside there. Loosen these 3 screws here. You loosen those. It looks like when you take it apart. There's a spring underneath there, and the diaphragm you can see. Now that you take out and you replace the diaphragm. Bottom section. And this is the spring, and there's a rubber inside there. It goes on top, so you make sure you put it back the same way you undo it. And you take out this rubber diaphragm, and in some cases you will find that this diaphragm is punctured, it gets damaged, or it's just by wear and tear, and you need to replace this at certain times because sometimes this doesn't operate properly. And also there are 2 O-rings there. Make sure it doesn't fall out. You can replace them, but these are still fine. But make sure when you put this back that O-rings are back. Here you can see the old diaphragm, which is on the thumb here, and the new one. You can see this one is a little bit sort of worn out compared to that one, and it's much more thicker and chunkier. And that's how it goes in. You just slip it into that. There's a groove there. Slip it into there.